the window, blowing in dust day and night. Itchy nose and throat makes you feel low, labored breath, your chest so tight. Some will wheeze, some will go blind, breathing in that dust all the time. Some will wheeze, some will go blind, getting all that dust in your eyes. See the paper lying on the sidewalk, hear the dog barking next door. They're both covered in the real thick chalk, pretty soon it will be more. Some will wheeze, some will go blind, breathing in that dust all the time. Some will wheeze, some will go blind, it will drive you out of your mind. Get an inhaler, close all the windows, don't dare open the doors. Living here is all you